Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha Sharma and today I am presenting my project AquaGuardian AI Agent. AquaGuardian AI is a multi-agent artificial intelligence system that analyzes drinking water quality, predicts whether water is safe to drink, generates intelligent recommendations using Gemini AI, creates visualizations and automatically produces a detailed water quality report. Let's begin by looking at the project. This is my project folder in Visual Studio Code. The project is developed in Python using Streamlit for the user interface. It uses multiple AI agents, each responsible for a specific task, making the system modular and easy to extend. The project also uses Google Gemini AI to generate human readable explanations of the analysis. Now I will run the application in the terminal by the following command. So we will use streamlit run app.py. After a few seconds, the application launches in the browser. Let's wait up to 30 to 40 seconds. It will take some time. It will take up to some time. Let's wait for some few seconds more. This is our AquaGuardian AI dashboard, multi-AI agent, water quality intelligence systems. On the left side, you can see that the user can interpret important water quality parameters including pH, TDC, nitrate, chlorine, and sodium, etc., etc., etc. These parameters represent the chemical composition of drinking water. After entering all the values, I simply click Analyze Water. So let's see what will it do. Let's wait for some time. It shows that analysis completed successfully and popped up a water quality score. Once I click Analyze Water, multiple AI agents work together. First, the input agent validates the water quality parameters. Then the score agent calculates an overall water quality score based on all the inputs. The risk agent evaluates the health risk associated with the water. The decision agent determines whether the water is safe or unsafe for drinking. The recommendation agent generates suggestions based on the analysis. Next, the explanation agent powered by Google Gemini AI creates a clear and easy to understand explanation of the result. The visualization agent generates graphs and charts for better representations. The history agent stores previous analysis for future references. Finally, the report agent generates a downloadable water quality report containing all the analysis result. After the analysis is complete, the dashboard displays water quality score, grade, risk level, final decision, and AI generated explanation. For this sample, the score is high, the grade is excellent, and the risk is low. The score is up to 93.08, and the water is classified as safe to drink. The AI explanation also describes why the water received this result and highlights any parameters that should be monitored. The dashboard also generates several visualizations to help users better understand the data. This include water parameter comparison graph, radar chart, water quality score graph, water quality history, etc. The application automatically generates a detailed water quality report. The report contains, firstly, let's download the report, then we will discuss about the report. So this is our report, AquaGuardian AI Water Quality Report. It contains all input parameters, water quality score, grade level, final decision, and AI generated explanation and recommendations. So we will close it, come to our windows again. The key features of AquaGuardian AI include multi-AI agent architecture, Gemini AI-powered explanation, interactive streamlit dashboard, automatic report generation, intelligent recommendations, water quality visualization, historical analysis, and easy-to-use interface. In conclusion, AquaGuardian AI provides an intelligent and user-friendly solution for analyzing drinking water quality. By combining multiple AI agents, data visualization, explainable AI, and automated reporting, it helps users make informed decisions about water safety. Thank you for watching my presentation.